What could you do with an extra $1,000 to $1,500 every single month? I did not mean to send it. Doing the thing, doing the thing, doing the thing. Let me know where you're from. Where are you guys from? I see a lot of people that are from up north where it's cold right now. This is what I like about electric transportation, guys. E-transport. Yo, what is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the Street Mobs podcast. Today, I guess I could show you. We're riding the Ecotric 500 and we're gonna go run some errands. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Back to the Street Mobs podcast. Today we're in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. It's December. It's 2021, new year, second video of the year. We got another video, the first one I made to this year, dropping today at 2 p.m. And then I think this one will probably drop tomorrow or the next day. So there's that, having fun today. Just running some quick errands. This is what I like about electric transportation, guys. E-transport. It's light. You get to get out, enjoy the world. You get to see more of it. I mean, you get to see the back roads. You get to see the ways that people don't normally, you know, when you're in a car, all you see is just what's in front of you, what's behind you. Just to get the fresh air. Can't sit inside forever. It's just not how it works. But there's no chain. So today I'm running to the bank and I gotta exchange some stuff and move some things around. And yeah, it's gorgeous. I mean, it's January right now and it's like 63 or 4 degrees. This is insane. At night it's gonna do 37. Makes 0 sense. What's up, guys? So if you guys haven't seen the last video, we are, or I am, in the process of figuring out how to update all the escape laws in, at least in Florida, to better suit the current technology, because the way they have it worded right now, and this all stemmed from me getting pulled over a week and a half ago. 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks. But you know what I'm saying? So anyways, I'm in the process of it. If you've been watching my other videos, you'll know that, you know, that was really fun. Really enjoyed that. The tire's not looking too healthy, guys. Hope it's not too bad. Oh, nice. They're out doing band practice today. So yeah, I'm in the process of getting the laws updated. That way, because basically right now the way they're worded, in section 316.003, it says a two-wheeled, non-tandem electric motor with an average of 750 watts, which is what, I mean, a skateboard. I hope they're open. I did not mean to send it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're done with the bank after like 20 minutes, 30 minutes sitting. I think they have like one person working right now. So what in the world is going on right now? Okay, so let's go grab some food. Yeah, let's go grab some food. What do you guys want? Thai or orange chicken? Oh man. Honestly though, guys, girls, everybody who's watching this, I appreciate the hell out of it. It's nice. Thank you for watching my videos. Honestly, one of these days, when we get to a point where we can, we're gonna start giving back, both to you guys, and we're gonna try to see what we can do for the homeless population, because they really, really need it, especially right now. So, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna make it happen, or what happening means at this point, but we got some goals, we got some plans for the future. And you know, we're all about electric, no gas use, no diesel, even though I have a diesel and I have a car, but they'll be sold. I haven't driven them in I don't know how long, months, since last year, at least like late last year, fall. That's what it seems like. So my hood keeps like jumping up, bro. All right, keeps catching wind. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You know, let me know where you're from. Where are you guys from? I see a lot of people that are from up north where it's cold right now. What are you guys rocking? What are you riding? What kind of bike or board, whether it's analog or not, or electric? What do you ride? Today, we're on the Ecotric 500. The official name is the Ecotric 500 Fat Tire snow/sand bike or something crazy. But Ecotric 500 watt. And the thing is, guys, is though they may be more expensive than a bike or anything, and they might not be as fast as a car, once you get them, you get to do this every day. You get to get out, see the world, see your city, go have fun for free, mind I add. Yeah, so like this doesn't cost any money. Once you get the bike, basically, it's like, I think somebody added it up. I saw a video the other day where they added up how much they spent on electric to charge. It ended up being like $10 a year, you know, versus, you know, $1,000, $2,000 per month for a car. You know, also bio-friendly. What's up, Dobie? I see you, bro. You know, we're doing our part, whether it's, you know, a major part or just like my part. I'm doing my part in the global warming problem that we got. I'm doing my part in the minimalism, spending less, owning less, being more happy, more outside, more active, basically, you know, just doing what I want to do. So let's say you have a problem and you need some money. Do you smoke? If you smoke a pack a day, that's $300 a month. And then insurance for a car, let's say $300 a month. Car payment $300 a month. See, that's already $1,000 just to have something around you while you drive. That's every month. What could you do with an extra $1,000 to $1,500 every single month? Not to mention the health benefits. I get to get out and do exercise, or get out and go exercise for free, no gym membership. I get the sun, I get the air, I get the whole experience of it, and it works its way into my life. Like, it's not a separate thing from my life. Let me get over here. So, if I have a car and I'm always in it, then I'm always need to find a gym. I need to find a workout partner. It creates more problems, more issues that you have to solve. So, if I can work my exercise and my transportation and my enjoyment all in one and save a lot of money, then why not? Why not? Why not do that? And meet people, be part of the community, and have a YouTube channel. So it makes sense. It makes sense to me, at least, in my life. It may not in your life. If you have to drive 30, 40, 50, 100 miles a day to get to work and back, it's probably not for you. You need something faster. But if you're like me and you're basically a beach bum and you like having fun and you're a photojournalist or something like I am, this works perfect. So, that's my rant for today. I hope everybody has a great one. I hope you're having a great day already. I got another video coming out, so I gotta go make sure that's edited and shared where people want to see it. It's coming out. It's about the TRX Carbon and the Lycon TRX Carbon. So, and I gotta fix the brakes. I think my wheels are loose. So they're kind of doing the thing. So anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe down below. Join the family and help support the channel. It makes a big difference. We are almost at 100, so yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Street Mobs out. Peace.